Hello and welcome everyone. You are watching BSL Academy. As we have previously discussed the previous year questions of your physics paper of the Jackboard, so today we have come with one more chapter which is current electricity. So the very first, the weightage of this chapter in your Jackboard examination is around 7 to 8 marks. So please practice it more and more. So start with this chapter, and the first question is here in front of you. If a uniform wire of resistance 16 ohm is cut into 4 equal parts and attached in parallel combination, the equivalent resistance is option A 1 ohm, option B 4 ohm, option C 1 by 4 ohm, option D 1 by 16 ohm. This question is asked in 2020. Question number 2. Kirchhoff's point rule is a direct consequence of law of conservation of what? Energy, linear momentum, angular momentum, or charge. So this is from 2014 and 2020. Now question number 3. Two long parallel wires each carrying a current of 1 ampere in the same direction are placed 1 meter apart. The force of attraction between them is option A 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter, option B 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 Newton per meter, option C 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter, or option D 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter. So this is from 2020. Now next, a uniform wire of resistance R is cut into n equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel with each other. The equivalent resistance of the combination is. This is from 2019. Option A R by n square, B n r, option C R by n, or option D n by r square. Now question number 5. Define internal resistance of a cell. State two factors on which it depends. This is from 2019. Now next. What are the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends? Give the corresponding relation. This is from 2018. Question number 7. Two copper wires of length L and 2L have radii R and 2R respectively. The ratio of their specific resistance is option A 1:2, option B 2:1, option C 1:1, option D 1:3. So this question is asked in 2019. Now next, for a conductor, the relation between current density J, conductivity sigma, and electric field intensity E is option A J equal to sigma by E, option B J equal to sigma E, option C J equal to E by sigma, option D none of these. Now question number 9. A battery of EMF 10 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistor. If the current in the circuit is 0.5 ampere, then what is the resistance of the resistor? So this question has been asked in 2018. Now question number 10. Describe with circuit diagram an experiment to compare the EMF of two cells with the help of a potentiometer. 2010 and 2018. 11. As temperature increases, the resistance of a conductor. Option A remains unchanged, option B increases, option C decreases, or D none of these. This is from 2017 and 2014. Now question number 12. Two cells of EMF E and E2 and internal resistances are R1 and R2. What is it? It is R1. And the next is R2. Respectively are connected in parallel. The equivalent EMF of the combination is what? Option A E1 R2 plus E2 R1 by R1 plus R2. Option B E1 R1 plus E2 R2 by R1 plus R2. Option C E1 plus E2 by 2, or option D E1 plus E2. So please answer it. Now next, an electron having charge E and mass m is moving in a uniform electric field. Option electric field E. its acceleration will be, this is from 2017. Option A, E square by m. Option B, E square E by m. Here small e is charge on electron and capital E is electric field intensity and m is the mass. Option C, E by m, and option D, m E by E. Now question number 14. Define drift velocity and derive an expression for it. Deduce Ohm's law using the concept of drift velocity. 2018, 17 as well as 2015. So this one is very important. This one you can say star marks question. Now next, if an electric circuit, the algebraic sum of current meeting at a point is option A 0, B infinite, option C positive, or option D negative. This is from 2017. Question number 16. When an ammeter is shunted, its measuring range, option A decrease, option B increase, option C remains unchanged, or option D none of the above. This is from 2016. Now 17. Explain the principle of a potentiometer. Draw the circuit diagram for the comparison of EMF of two primary cells using a potentiometer. This is from 2016, and this one is very important question. This is VVI. So please practice it more and more so that you will get the full marks for this question. Now next, calculate the equivalent resistance of the network between point X and Y. So here you can see point X and Y. So the diagram is given here. So please calculate it. This is the numerical problem. And this is from combination of resistances 2013. Now next, what is meant by resistivity and conductivity of a substance? Derive the relation J equal to sigma E, 2010 and 2012. So this one is also most important problem. Question number 26. Explain with the help of a circuit diagram how the value of unknown resistance can be determined using a Wheatstone bridge. Derive the formula used. So the Wheatstone bridge is also most important of your Jackboard. And here you can see 2007, 12 and 2017. So please complete this topic, Wheatstone bridge. Now next, when is a Wheatstone bridge most sensitive? So this question is asked in 2011. Now 28. What is drift velocity? What is the relation between drift velocity and current? So you have to tell about the what is drift velocity, and also have to give the relation drift velocity and current. This is from 2011. So this is one more important problem. Now question number 29. State Kirchhoff's law. This is from 2006 and 11. Define electric current. This is very easy problem. Now 31. How resistance of a resistor depends on its temperature. This is from 2009. Now question number 32. If two resistors are connected in series, the equivalent resistance becomes 18 ohm. So notice the resistors are connected in what? Series. And here their equivalent resistance is given, which is 18 ohm. If the same are connected in parallel, okay, the equivalent resistance is 4 ohm. So if we connect them in series, then the equivalent resistance is 18 ohm, and if we connect them in parallel, then their equivalent resistance is 4 ohm. So find the individual resistances. So find them, R1 and R2, and this is asked in 2009. Now next, if two resistors are connected in series, the equivalent resistance becomes 16 ohm. If the same are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance is 3 ohm. Find the individual resistances from 2008. So this is the same problem like 32. So practice more and more the numericals problem 2. Now question number 34. What is the SI unit of resistivity? This is very easy problem. This is from 2007. Now question number 35. Describe the color codes for the carbon resistors. So carbon coding is also important. So please notice it and complete this topics too. And this question is asked in 2008. Now 36 and the last. Explain the circuit diagram, the parallel combination of identical cells. Obtain the condition for maximum current in the external resistance connected with the combination. This is from 2019. So this is most important problem. Please practice it more and more times so that you will get the good marks in your JAC board examinations. And you know, questions are asked repeatedly in this exam, so please try it. And you can see here all that questions which I have discussed now. So please do like, share and subscribe, and BSL Academy is with you in cracking your JAC board examination. So bye bye and happy learning.